The star-studded Heeramandi premiere in Mumbai on Wednesday evening received only 2 reactions from us. Wow! And what's that? While most celebs were looking just like a wow, some had us believe that they did not receive the memo. One celeb who definitely matched the Heeramandi vibe was Alia Bhatt. The actress shined bright in an ivory and blush pink sharara set that featured intricate work all over the kurta, the hem of the pants and the dupatta. She paired it with matching long earrings and posed with her mother Soni Razdan and mother-in-law Neetu Kapur. We also liked Ananya Panday's traditional look, wherein she added a splash of color to the red carpet in a striking silk royal blue ensemble. The gajra and the jhumkas are such a vibe. Heeramandi's diamonds, Sonakshi Sinha and Regal opted for ethnic fineries for the occasion, and we liked that they ditched pastels. Rashmika Mandanna walked the red carpet in a bluish-grey anarkali set and paired it with matching earrings. Everything looks good, but we wish she did something better with her hair. Looked a little flat, right? Like, look at Mrunal Thakur, who proved that hair game is very important. She wore a white and silver sari and went for blown out curls, which added that extra zing to this otherwise seen before look. Newlyweds Kriti Kharbanda and Pulkit Samrat also looked great. Now, here comes Salman Khan, who had us scratching our heads with his quirky style. But we will give him a thumbs up for slaying this unexpected colorful Dragon Ball Z printed pants with a black t-shirt. Okay, moving on to the ones that had us looking away. Topping the list is Urvashi Rautela, who looked just out of the place in a purple sequin jumpsuit paired with an inflated balloon-like silver handbag. 0 out of 10, easily. Suzanne Khan also gave us nothing as she walked the red carpet in a short skirt paired with a one-shouldered top. She's a beautiful lady, so she should have chosen something more royal. Then there's Tanisha Mukherjee, who experimented with neon. Full points for trying, but we don't know if her look was giving. Now over to you. Which look was the best and the worst according to you? Share your views in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more such red carpet fashion moments.